Good morning, friends. Good morning. It's Amy Duff, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great weekend. It is day 3 of the big state of Texas. 3 days in Texas. And guys, it's been nonstop. From Friday, I got off the airplane, Saturday, and now Sunday. We're about to start some meetings for our business. And guys, I just want to jump on really quick to see how you're feeling. I want to make sure I share with you my Go Girl Mix. I love this drink. I know the ones of you who have been following this page since 2018 have seen me drink it every day consistently. And that's because it works, guys. I moved from a size 12 to a 4-6, and I've been maintaining that all over 6 years now. 6 years. Can you believe that? I am one of the girls or women. I still call myself a girl. I still feel like a little girl when I drink my Go Girl Mix because it makes me feel fabulous. I can get up and get busy for the day, feeling great with all the energy I need, the focus I need, and of course the appetite control. As a food addict, I have my entire life gone up and down this yo-yo string of feeling absolutely depressed. Look, very depressed in the lows, very large in the lows, very uncomfortable in the lows, very couch sedentary in the lows, just depressed. I hated it. I hated myself. I felt that way about myself. I was so miserable, just addicted to food, no energy, just so disgusted with myself. And then I'd hit these large highs, and I'd be on this yo-yo string. I've done it so many times throughout my life, so low and then so high, so excited. I'm feeling good. I've lost some weight. I'm actually feeling confident, and then boom, right back at the lows. I never really learned how to eat properly. And no matter how much time I spent at the gym when I was up here at the highs in my younger years, I would always get hurt, or I'd always have something happen in life that would drag me back down this yo-yo string. And I mean, I was just up and down, up and down, up and down. Guys, since I found these ketones, my life has completely changed. I have been in control of my diet. I've been in control of the way I feel. I've been in control of my energy levels and just my confidence. I love this drink. Guys, if you're not drinking it yet and you'd like information, say me. Hey, Mom, I see Michelle on here. Hey, Connie. Guys, I absolutely love it. If you're looking for something that's going to help you, this is not a requirement. No one has to drink this. But guys, if you do, you're going to be so happy. I've helped thousands of people, including me and my own family, and I absolutely love it. So before I head out this morning, I just want to jump on to tell you a little bit about it in case you are new here and you don't have information and you've been watching me mix these up in my stories. Let me give you a little story, guys. When I was younger, and when I say younger, I'm talking about just like 8 years ago. So 8 years ago, in all of my younger years, I was the person who would leave work or leave my granny's because I was taking care of my granddad. I would leave work and I would stop by the gas station or stop by the fast food. I would pick me up something to eat. I would eat it in the car. On my way home, I would ditch the bags. Truth. And then when I got home, I'd walk in the house with a whole bunch of food for me and my family to eat. And I would sit at the kitchen table, eat an entire meal again. I was a person who waited for my husband to start snoring so I could go into the kitchen, into the cabinets, into the cookies, into the chips, into anything. Because for whatever reason, I felt like I needed the food. I was just so addicted to food. There was nothing that would stop me from doing the things I knew was hurting me. It didn't matter that I was depressed. I was just adding it on. Let's just load it on. Let's load it on. Like I was the person who was just so tired of being sick and tired. Guys, when I found these ketones 6 years ago, everything changed. I am still a food addict. I absolutely could go out today and eat lots of food because we're with a lot of people and we're going to go to restaurants that are full of interesting food that I've never seen before. And I could eat the wings and the pizza and all the things, overeat it, or I can drink my ketones, guys, stay in control. The appetite control is so awesome. The focus to help me live my lifestyle the way I want to live my lifestyle. It's insane. That's really all I can say. It's insane. Unless you try it and you understand what I'm talking about, you just have no clue. If you need the help, if you need extra help for appetite control, energy, and focus, I would love to help you. Just say me and I'll get you the details. If you've already experienced ketones, maybe you're one of my 1,000 customers, my thousands of customers. Maybe you're one of the thousands and you've experienced change. I would love to hear it in the comments. Maybe it's your confidence level. Maybe it's your fat loss. Maybe it's better sleep. Maybe it's just better mood. When I don't drink these, my husband knows it. He absolutely knows it. He'll come to me and say, you need to drink your ketones. Look, this is my friend Mitzi. She's been drinking ketones how many years?
3.5 years.
3.5 years. Tell them how much fat loss you've had.
120 pounds.
Mitzi lost 120 pounds. And Mitzi actually saw me on this page.
Yes.
So we connected and then we become friends. And then she started drinking ketones. And now she's with me in Texas. We love to share ketones together. And we're always looking for friends to help us. So Mitzi, real quick, and then we got to go because we got to go downstairs. Tell me, like, just Well, tell me your favorite benefits of ketones. I mean, she lost fat, so we know this.
Obviously the fat loss, because I'd lost weight in the past, and at my lowest then, compared to when I was there at this point, I was 2 sizes smaller this time than I was then. So definitely the fat loss.
It's amazing.
And not only that, just the energy, the energy and all of it, the mood.
This girl,
appetite control.
this girl's been hiking. She's actually been going through all these certifications to do what?
I'm a part of my search and rescue team at volunteer in the county where I live.
Yeah.
But I started hiking 3 years ago. I started out very slow, but now I do like 9 and 10 mile hikes.
Crazy.
And that don't even really faze me.
Isn't that crazy? So this is Mitzi. So Mitzi, when I first met her, she wasn't doing any of those things. Like she was just.
I was sick and tired of being sick and tired.
Exactly.
And,
That truly is a phrase.
And my Monday was actually a Friday, because I knew my Monday was never coming if I didn't start that Friday.
I
So
love that.
don't wait.
Yeah.
Start now.
I love that. Thank you, Mitzi. I sure love her. We have gotten to be so close friends, and we've met so many amazing people through the opportunity of sharing ketones. Like, we drink them because we absolutely love them. But the way I feel about that is if you found something that's truly changed you and you're not telling people about it, then that's almost shameful. Now, it doesn't mean you have to sell them, but why not tell people about something you love? So you don't have to be a promoter, but if you are interested in joining us and sharing the ketones, I would love to chat with you about that. It's amazing because you get to personally help people change their lives. And I love that. I mean, I cannot tell you what else would make me feel so fulfilled. All right, guys, we're going to jump off here because I've got 3 minutes to be downstairs. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Love you, Mom. I can't wait to talk to you. I will call you later to find out where you are and what y'all been doing. All right, guys, see you soon. Bye.